Welcome back to English Practice.
In this video, you will see 50 useful English words with short sentences and colorful cartoon images. Always. I always brush my teeth in the morning. Often. I often read books in the evening. Sometimes. I sometimes eat pizza for dinner. Never. I never drink cola in the morning. Usually. I usually go to school by bus. Every day. I drink water every day. Today. I am happy today. Tomorrow. We will play football tomorrow. Yesterday. I watched TV yesterday. Now. I am eating an apple now. Later. I will call my friend later. Before. I wash my hands before lunch. After. I do my homework after dinner. Together. We play together in the park. Alone. He is sitting alone on the bench. Fast. The car goes fast on the road. Slow. The turtle walks slow. Big. The elephant is big. Small. The cat is small. Happy. He is happy with his dog. Apple. I eat an apple every morning. Banana. He likes to eat a banana. Bread. We have bread for breakfast. Milk. He drinks milk before bed. Water. I drink water when I am thirsty. Juice. They drink orange juice at lunch. Egg. I cook an egg for breakfast. Rice. We eat rice for dinner. Soup. She makes hot soup in the evening. Tea. My father drinks tea every day. Table. There is a book on the table. Chair. He sits on the chair. Book. I read a book before sleeping. Pen. She writes with a pen. Phone. I talk with my friend on the phone. Bag. He carries a bag to school. Shoes. I wear shoes when I go outside. Hat. She wears a hat in the sun. Car. My father drives a car. Bike. I ride my bike in the park. Run. I run in the park every morning. Walk. She walks to school. Eat. We eat dinner together. Drink. He drinks water after sports. Sleep. The baby sleeps in the bed. Read. I read a book every night. Read. She writes a letter to her friend. Play. They play football in the yard. Sing. He sings a song loudly. Dance. We dance at the party. Cook. My mother cooks soup for lunch. Listen. She listens to music with headphones. Draw. The boy draws a cat on paper. Close. She closes the window.
Jump.
The dog jumps high.
Swim.
We swim in the pool.
Wash.
He washes his hands with soap.